Now you got steps. Multiple bends.
Yep.
And your depth, the D, change your depth. That's basically it. The recipe is set by it was 2.6 was the value. If you wanted to go deeper, you go 2.5.
Okay.
So metric, you can change it to standard if you want by in the parameters. I turn it on. Step 1. Tons of pressure. I stopped because I didn't want it to come in.
Yep. Nice.
That's just a simple bracket, but I've been here so long that this is brand new when it came in.
Yep.
There was an older man that ran it, and he used to do the most complicated parts with this machine.
No. Wow.
Yeah, he was borderline.
That's great. So this kind of locks in with this.
Yeah, it's called quick lock, where these are angled, so you have to use Amada tooling.
Okay.
Because if you use other tooling, they won't work correctly.
Yeah, they won't. They have this slot.
You can slide these in without having to loosen them up.
Yep.
And then they're called quick sets. So, I mean, I can show you. They bring them to the stops. Now it's loose. You just slide it
it right out. Wow.
Or you can drop them down. Oops. That one wasn't in there all the way. Bring them down. You pull forward and it drops.
Nice.
Yeah, it is pretty nice. And it's the same thing if you put it back in. This ain't down all the way. Now, when you put them up to these stops here, it won't fall out.
Yep.
And you move it to where you want, push it up, and then lock it. They just need adjustment. They're all out of adjustment. The machine hasn't, been in operation for a while. Okay. I actually had them put it back in here.
That's great. Nice. Gauge.
But it has retract. You could probably pump bend with it too if you wanted to make big radiuses.
Yep.
There's a lot of things you can do. But it is for small parts. It's a small part machine.
Oh yeah.
And the light turns on working, that's for sure.
Yep.
I can have it on. Stick my hands in there.
It won't work. It won't work.
You know what I mean?
That's great.
But that is what they're for.
Yeah, I mean, they're needed today.
Yeah, today's environment, yes, that's true.